Good afternoon, and thank you, Tim, and thank you to the Dallas Bar Association for hosting this forum. I'm Mike Lee. I'm the Republican candidate for the 116th District Court. It will come as no surprise to anyone here that the 116th District Court needs a new judge. The good news is it will have a new judge effective January 1st. I believe I am the right person to be that new judge. The 116th, just from a statistical standpoint, is the least efficient of all of our district courts. It has the highest docket, significantly greater docket than the better run courts. It has a cost per disposition that is higher than average. It has a number of dispositions that's below average. The result of that is it's difficult to get your cases heard, it's difficult to get your motions heard, it's difficult to move your case if it lands in the 116th. I'm the right person to change that. I've been practicing trial law for 25 years. I've practiced in big firms and in a solo practice that was just myself. For the last 11 years, I've been in a litigation boutique practice. First it was mine, then I merged that practice with another lawyer. And we do almost exclusively litigation work, generally on the defense side. Not too long ago, I added up, using the county's website, the number of cases that I've been attorney of record in Dallas County. And between the county courts and the district courts, I've been on 585 separate cases in Dallas County alone. And the amazing thing about that is for the last 11 years, most of my practice has been outside Dallas County. We have a statewide practice. I probably spend more time down in Houston and over in Denton than I do here. And I'm going to take some of what I've learned in some of those other places. I commit to you that if I'm your judge, you will get a hearing, an oral hearing and a ruling within 3 weeks of a 3-day hearing if that's what you want. 6 weeks on a motion for summary judgment. I will institute a submission docket for those motions that don't need hearings. You will get your cases heard. Finally, I've long believed that the practice of law is difficult enough without judges arbitrarily making it more difficult. You will find that the court serves in the 116th. Under me, the court will exist to serve the litigants, not the other way around. Lawyers will have an open door. My court staff will exist to allow you to communicate with the court appropriately rather than to insulate the court from the litigants and their counsel. I ask that you visit MikeLeeForJudge.com, and I thank you so much.